Hi, Vettepics here. We're down in my workshop and I want to walk you through a little mod that I did on my new Portacable 7424 XP variable speed random orbit polisher. I bought this about 3 weeks ago and I've already used it to detail 2 of my automobiles, and it did a really nice job. But while doing it I realized that there was a problem that I could easily rectify. And problem is, the unit comes with this auxiliary handle, which you can screw into the left side of the the gear housing or the right side of the gear housing. But this machine is so controllable that you don't need the handle, and in fact the handle actually gets in your way, makes it more difficult to use the machine. If you go online, YouTube, and you watch details explain how to use this machine, you can see most of them don't have the handle attached. Now the problem I found with the machine though is because the back of it, as you can see in the picture, has this crown. When you want to put the machine down, turn it over and lay it on its back, it doesn't want to lay flat, it wants to fall over on its side. And when that happens, the pad will touch the ground, pick up dirt that'll eventually get ground into your paint, which is the last thing you want to do. So I was always struggling to keep the machine upright when I put it down to get my rag to wipe off the surface or just take a break. And I thought it would be easy to fabricate out of some flat stock this U handle, which allows you to put the machine down flat on its back. In fact, I'll walk you through what I did. My design, you can also lay the machine on its side without the pad touching the ground. Now the way I did this is I measured a piece of flat stock, cut it into this U which fits around the gear housing, and attached it using 2 bolts into the holes that the auxiliary handle would normally mount in. If you want to make this yourself, I'll let you know the bolts are metric scale. They're M8 by 1 1/4 by 30. I used cap screws. Another thing I did was I wrapped the handle in this cordage that I picked up at the home center, and then I dipped it in 2 coats of Dip It to create this nice non-skid cushioned handle. And the way you can use this is you can hold it on the side and work your paint, or you can hold it on the top and work your paint, and I think it works really nicely. So hope you guys enjoy this video and take it on your own to make one of these U handles. I think it would be good if the manufacturer actually made an auxiliary handle like this and sold it or included it with the machine. One more thing I'll note, these are end caps from tubing that I picked up at the home center. It's less than $2 for 4 of them. I punched a hole through the end and used that to cradle the bolt that attaches the U handle. And that keeps any sharp edges of that bolt away from your hands while using the machine, and it also allows you to lay the machine down on its side as well as its back. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you'll make one of these to enhance your Portacable. That's it for now. Vettepics is out. Bye now.